Good morning, friends. Now we are discussing MRP2. So that is manufacturing resource planning, then enterprise resource planning and supply chain management in this session. So what is MRP2? So MRP1 is material resource planning. So this MRP2 is the advancement of MRP1. So MRP2 is manufacturing resource planning. So this is including managing the functional operations, that is coordinating the various departments like manufacturing, finance, human relations and production. So the activities of these departments will be coordinated. So all the aspects of the business are getting synchronized using this integrated information system MRP2. So in broader sense, we can say that MRP2 is managing the resources like man, material and machine and addresses the planning, operational planning. So it is the extension of the original MRP1 system. So it will take the additional data from accounts and sales for further analysis. MRP1 versus MRP2. So MRP2 software is considered as the functional replacement of MRP1. So it is the predecessor is MRP1. So MRP2 is the successor of MRP1. So it is offering inventory tracking. So that is what are the materials available in hand after a particular production batch is completed, and what are the additional materials needed, bill of materials and the master production schedule. So in addition, so this MRP2 is enabling the involvement of logistics, marketing and finance. That is, so once the finished products are ready for dispatch, so this MRP2 is involving logistics and marketing the finished products and the financial matters related to that. So MRP2 is also able to account for the calculation of machine capacity and personal capacity. That is what all the machine installed in the plant and how many machine hours are available, and similarly, so what will be the strength of employees in the organization. So that this MRP2 is providing the holistic view of the actual capacity, operating capacity of the company, whereas MRP1 is just planning the material requirement, whereas MRP2 is bringing the operating capacity of the company in front of us. So this also enables a very effective demand forecasting. So that from MRP2, so we can expect we can find out the expected demand for the finished product. So this MRP system enables to arrive at the optimum level of sales. Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP). So this was built upon the earlier material requirement planning system. The MRP2 was actually built on the material requirement planning systems. So this enterprise resource planning is slightly more advanced. Like this MRP1, it includes the additional data about what is the need of employees and what is the financial needs of the entire business. So together MRP1 and MRP2 will give rise to the system ERP. So that is Enterprise Resource Planning System. So it makes the manufacturer to consolidate all the data related to the important parts of various process of business, maybe with respect to the sales, finance, marketing and HR. So all these business processes are integrated together, and that data will be passed on to this ERP system. So ERP is planning the resource of the entire enterprise. So the definition of ERP is going like this. So it is a system of integrated software applications. So which is standardizing, streamlining, and integrating the business processes across the various activities like finance, HR, procurement of raw materials, and distribution of finished products and other departments. So in simple, we can say that the core processes which are involved in a company are finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement, and others. So this ERP system is integrating these processes into a single system. So, so in simple definition, we can define ERP as the system integrating the processes like finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, procurement, and other services into a single system. So, supply chain management. So, before understanding supply chain management, we should know the definition of purchasing. So, purchasing is nothing but the act of buying the goods and services so that the company is able to manufacture the products by buying the raw materials, tools, and other spare parts which are directly or indirectly involved in the production process. So, this act of buying the goods and services is nothing but purchasing. So, supply chain management is a process used by any company so that it is ensuring that the company's supply chain is very efficient and cost effective. So, purchasing or the procurement is nothing but the process of getting the goods and materials what the company needs. While supply chain management is the process of transforming these goods, whatever is purchased, into the finished products and distributing them to the end users as efficiently as possible. Importance of the supply chain management. So it improves the customer service. So customers are having various choices. So they expect the right product at the right time. So any mistake or delay in the delivery of orders will definitely spoil the relationship between the customer and the company. So the supply chain management minimizes the cost. So it is very important to keep the track on the inventory in hand. So if these inventory get exhausted, so it will directly have impact on the production process. So supply chain management will ensure the availability of the inventory. So this supply chain management increases the profitability. So the operational cost of supply chain management is quite low compared to the benefits what we are getting out of it. So supply chain management, we have speed of service, system efficiency, and cost efficiency can be achieved. So supply chain management reduces the asset cost, so that it is eliminating the activities of warehouse, vehicles, and labor if we have proper supply chain management. So it will restore the crisis situations during any climatic hazards like earthquake or the floods, so that the delivery of food packets, clothes, medicines will be transported to where through various modes. It improves the economy of any country.